Troubleshooting an LG washer that won't turn on. LG washing machines without power are typically caused by a tripped circuit breaker, a faulty electrical outlet, a power outage in the home, or in rare cases a unit that requires repair. Let's try some troubleshooting steps. If your washing machine won't turn on, the first step is to make sure the power cord connections at the back of the unit and at the electrical outlet are both secure. Next, ensure that power is getting to the unit efficiently by plugging in any electrical product you know that works, such as an alarm clock or hairdryer. Note that some power outlets are sometimes controlled by light switches on the wall, so make sure to turn the light switch on. If the power connections are secure and the electrical outlet is working, turn off the circuit breaker, wait for 5 seconds, then turn the breaker back on. Now attempt to power on the unit by pressing the power button. If the washer still will not start, perform a hard reset. To do this, unplug the washer. While the washer is unplugged, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Release the button, then hold down the Start/Pause button for 5 seconds. Plug the unit back in. If the unit does not power on, it will require a repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.